In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how to react to Instagram message. If you haven't yet tried out the reaction feature of Instagram messages, then make sure you watch this video until the end to exactly know how you can. To get started, open up the chat section first. Now as you can see, I've opened up the chat. Now to react to any kinds of message, all you need to do is tap and hold on the message and a bunch of reactions would show up. If you tap on one, you can see that the reaction has been sent that quickly. You can also change the reaction, tap and hold again, and then tap on this plus icon right here to add in other reactions. You can also do the same for other messages also. And there you go, that's how easily you can react on Instagram message. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.